What's up guys, my name's Jeremiah. Welcome to the Craft Tender, where we make cocktails that don't suck. And on today's episode, we're gonna make the new fashion. So for this cocktail, quite simply, most people want to make the old-fashioned traditional way where we're only gonna use a few ingredients, right? Bourbon being the only thing, but in today's society, we're gonna blend two very interesting products. It's bourbon and rye whiskey at the same time. By doing this, we're gonna give the old classic a spin on something new. So we're gonna start with a 1/4 ounce of simple syrup. We're gonna blend the bitters here half and half, right? So we're gonna go 3 dashes of Angostura bitters, 3 dashes of orange bitters. So 1, 2, and if you're like me, just one more dash, you know what I'm saying? On top of that, we're gonna equal parts a standard rye. I like to use Bullet. It's one of those bourbons you can use for pretty much anything. 1 ounce of rye whiskey, and then exactly equal parts 1 ounce bourbon of your choice. Don't use ice cubes that you can find pretty much anywhere. If you can make your own, you can buy it when it comes in a block. Get purified water. You relinquish all of the nasty impurities that typically come in the natural hard water that we use every single day. Ultimately, if you're making a high quality cocktail, what you really want to do is focus on the dilutive properties of natural ice. So use something that you can buy, use something you can make, put a lot of thought into it, because at the end of the day, if you're making it for yourself, you make it for your friends, just make sure that you give yourself and them the best quality experience. I'm gonna crack this ice down, because the last thing we want is large chunks. Now the idea when you stir, it's quite simply just to increase the temperature and dilution. Clarity is key here, so don't over stir, right? And don't be afraid to taste. I don't think that goes far in most things. And remember, balance is key here. So if the booze is too hot, if it's burning the back of your throat, keep stirring. You're looking for about 40 revolutions here. Yeah, that's where we want to be. Alright, so once you have your cocktail poured in the glass, I suggest choosing something with a bit of clarity, right? And it's the right temperature, it's the right clarity, it's the right viscosity. Now that you've served it, you want to make sure that you want to give yourself the opportunity to make sure that you dress your peels, right? Like in a million ways, like everybody's been to a bar where the bartender doesn't really give a shit and they're gonna peel this orange and lay it across the top of the glass, and they think that's impressive. Now if you're like me, I want to take pride in what I'm doing. So look something like this, kind of clean. Express, meaning peel side down, oils over the top of the glass. Give the rim a wipe, a little bit of twist for flair, lay it on your ice cube. This ever to you guys. So that, my friends, is how we make the new fashion. Thank you so much for checking out the channel. For future content, and if you want to see other really cool cocktails just like this, please subscribe, like, comment below. Let me know what you want to make at home with you and your friends, or if you're new to the industry and you don't know how to break in and you just want to learn the best techniques and tips and tricks, let me know.